G'day guys, Carl from Go Travel. I want to talk about the best four-wheel drive lighting mod that I've come across lately. When it comes to lighting, there's no secret that I love lights. Okay. My trusty Stedi spotlights, big roof bar, LED headlights. Recently, I was lucky enough to get possibly the best lighting modification that I've come across in a long time. And the best thing is, it's under $100. Let's come around here and I'll show you. That's right. LED reverse tail lights. So this bad boy right here is a Stedi LED reverse light. The best thing, like I said, they're cheap, they're easy to put in. The only thing that is a bit technical with them is I don't have a lot of room between here and the tail light. So I'm just going to get the positioning right. Pretty confident I've worked it out here. So we just get the rest in there nicely. And it'll just clip back in. Then away. So yeah, as you can see, installation takes as long as it takes to change the reverse light. It's that simple. They just sit in the factory spot. The amount of light they put out is just crazy. So you see the difference between standard halogen versus LED Stedi lights. I'd say they was almost as bright as a LED headlight upgrade. You see there's just night and day difference between the two. So yeah, they're definitely worth checking out. Check them out at stedi.com.au.